So now the next thing that we need to save in our game is, well, there's nothing here we need to save, okay, besides the spawn location which they need to spawn at. But once we get to the maze, that's when we need to save data. Because what if the player lands onto the maze, plays the maze for a bit, collects, let's say, 3 angels, and then leaves the game? Right. When he reloads the game, he's going to spawn here, and all 4 angels are going to be here. Right. And also his jump is going to be back to 0. And so that might be what you want, but what I want is for him to come back and his 3 angels not to be here, his 3 angels not to be here, and for his jump to be at the level that it was, or his gravity to be at the level that it was when he left the game. So what we need to do is go into our workspace, go into level 2_2. That's where you're going to find these little characters here, and you can see they're numbered, right? Angel 1, Angel 2, Angel 3. And so in our data store service, what we can do is we can add an additional value, and we can add has Angel 1, right? And that could be either true or false. And when the player loads the game, if he does have Angel 1, then that means that this guy shouldn't be here, and we're going to remove him from the game. And if he does have Angel 2, then we're going to remove him from the game as well. And depending on how many angels he has, we're going to set his gravity to be the number that it should be. And remember, if he has all 4 of them, the gravity is going to go down from starting at 197 down to 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by going to leader stats, and let's go ahead and add these values. Okay, so we're going to come over here, and we're going to add Angel 1, Angel 2, Angel 3, Angel 4. And so this is not going to be a string value, it's actually going to be an int value, or maybe we can make it a bool value, make it either true or false, okay, whether he has it or he doesn't have it. So we'll come here, bool value the whole way down. Oh, I'm sorry, not this one. This one should be string, but our angels should be bool values, so there should be 4 of them. Okay, and we're gonna change this to has Angel 1, and I'm gonna copy this and paste it here and here, and I'm gonna paste it on all of these guys, and then I'm just gonna change the number on the ones following the first one. So I'm going to change this to 3 and change this one to 4. Okay, there we go. And so now that we set that, if success, then we want to set those values on the player's leader stats. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and just copy this guy and paste it 4 times, and then we're going to change it to has Angel. Okay, so that's value 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then this is going to be has Angel 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and then or else we're going to set all of those values equal to false. Right? This means that this is the first time they're playing the game, and we're going to set this to false. All of them to false. Okay, so that's that. And then when we leave the game, we want to load their saved values up into the data store service from the player. Right, so we're going to copy that 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to change this to be has Angel 1. Oh my gosh, I think I messed up here, so I'm going to copy this guy. Make sure you don't overwrite your previous data. So we're going to change this to 2 and 2, 3 and 3, and then we're going to change this to 4 and 4. Okay, and so we're going to have the same issue that we did the last time, because when we load the game and it does get the data from leader stats on the data store service, this is going to be true, but then there's not going to be any data for these 4 has angels, right? Just like we had with the team color. So I'm going to go ahead and load the game, and I'm going to manually set these to false, just like they would be when you first play the game. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now, and then we'll do the next portion when we finish. Oh, so let me come here, files, publish to Roblox, come over here and run it, and then let's go manually set those all to false, because right now they're going to be set to nothing, which is going to cause us some issues. Alright, so here we are. Hold down FN, press F9, go to server, and then we're going to say game.players.deleSMUSD leader stats .has angel _1 is going to be equal to false. Oh, okay, that's the wrong one, because right here in has angel 1 we have to say .value is equal to false. Is not a member of folder. Ooh, that's strange. Game players leader stats has angel _1. Let's come back over to here. Has angel _1. Is that what I'm typing in? Has angel _1 dot value. Yeah. Oh, that's strange. So maybe we can go ahead and test it here in Roblox Studio and see what's going on exactly. So I'm going to come here to the Explorer and go to Players. Take a look in leader stats, and we do have angel 1, 3, and 4, but we don't have angel 1 and 2. Oh, that's weird. Oh, okay. So I could see here that I made a mistake, that I have angel 1, 1, 1, right? So let me go ahead and put in here 2 and 3, and then now we should be good. I'm just going to double check all of this stuff. Yeah, I think we're okay. So let's go ahead and publish to Roblox and play the game. I'm going to press down function F9 once it loads and go to server, and I'm going to set all of these. So I'm going to say game.players.deleSMUSD.leader stats.has angel _1 is equal to false. Oh, I'm sorry. So I keep making that same mistake, which you probably are making as well, but you have to say .value on has angel 1. Okay, so that worked. And then let's do has angel 1, 2 .value is equal to false. And then we're going to do has angel 3 .value is equal to false. And then we're going to do has angel 4 .value is equal to false. Alright, so now we're ready to go and continue on, but we'll do that in the next video.